In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Coinbase like you normally would. Now, just to avoid confusion, the Coinbase app is separate from the Coinbase wallet application. So those are two separate apps. Right now, we're on the regular Coinbase app. And you need to make sure that whatever crypto you're trying to withdraw to your bank, that you actually send it over here onto Coinbase. And to do that, please go to the main menu, select over here where it says home, press over here where it says deposit, and then you want to press on receive crypto right over here. Then look for the crypto that you're trying to sell. Let's say, for example, we wanted to go ahead and sell some Solana. We can absolutely do so. So here's the Solana, and then it is going to provide us with our Solana crypto address. And then you basically just want to go ahead and send the crypto, whether you're using Kraken or Coinbase wallet, etc. And you want to send it to the main Coinbase app. So here is the address, and then from there you should be good to go. So you don't need to do this step if you're already doing everything on the regular Coinbase app. You're not using Coinbase wallet, but if you are using another exchange or Coinbase wallet, you will need to transfer crypto from there onto the Coinbase app. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to head back over to the main menu. All right, then once you're done with that, you want to go to this option that says crypto in the main menu. Then select on the coin or whatever asset you're trying to sell. For this video, let's go ahead and work with Solana. Then you want to press over here where it says buy and sell, and be sure to select on sell. Then it is going to give you the option to sell the crypto for cash. And we need to do that. So we first need to trade our crypto for cash. And then once we have cash, we're then able to withdraw that to our bank account. So you're able to go ahead and put in the maximum amount. And you just want to confirm that cash is an option. You guys could also use something like USDC as well. But anyways, that is how you're able to go ahead and transfer your crypto from like crypto over to cash. And once you have cash, all you want to do is you want to go to the main menu. And then you want to go over here to where it says cash. Your cash balance will appear. Or you can go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to find it. It's typically towards the bottom. Then you're able to go ahead and press on it. You're able to select on withdraw. And then I apologize if my screen is black. That is due to privacy reasons. But basically, it's going to give you the option to withdraw the money to either a debit card, a bank account, etc. And there's even a button that says add payment method. So if you need to, you can add your bank account right over here. And then from there, you should be good to go. Once those are connected, you just need to confirm the transaction and you are good to go. So I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit intimidating to do at first, but I hope this video was able to go ahead and help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.